Ready? And
go. Yeah. Yeah. It seems to me like if Kawasaki and Honda were to like make like a Grom or Z together, it would be like the best thing ever. Yeah.
ready?
Go.
And brake.
If you're coming uphill, it would be uphill. Or opposite corner. Like, if you're coming up this way, I'd be over there. So I could see you coming in and up.
I would do that one because it's closer. Let me go take a quick test. That was embarrassing. I guess those pegs are good for something.
Yeah, that is so going on the video. If it turns out any. Are you coming up this?
No, the next one. I only have enough power to make it fast enough.
That. Ooh, and I have a place to park. Alright. I said safety first, kids. Oh. Yep. Nope. Whoa. She just kicks out. Well, I haven't really been paying attention. Now I can, but when I pay attention to it, yeah. What? I'm not monetized. I don't think I'm monetized anymore anyways. Yeah. Yeah, I never actually did it. No, I never put my hands back on. I'm still not on. Yep. I told you, I rode about the entire way down on Foothills Parkway, no hands. Well, true, but it's... I was also standing up most of the time. Oh, I'm using my brakes. I'm using my. I'm using.
He's white. That's red yoke.
Yeah, I see him. I'm gonna stop here. Let him go by. Yeah, I would have had. And now I'm back off. See what got me into my wreck was I was standing up and I tried to actually use my rear brake. But sitting down, I can use my rear brake because I can use my body to balance. Well, I'm kind of pacing myself. Woo! Yeah, after we eat. Let's go get food. So guys, I guess we're gonna go get something to eat and we'll just get some shenanigans after this and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we're back at it. We just ate some hibachi. Laying smoke. Come by me and do that. Laying smoke to it. There you go. Got him! Such an animal. You won't do it. You won't do it. You won't do it. Give him a dank wheelie.
You want to see a dank wheelie? You want to see a wheelie? You want to see a dank wheelie? He goes, what? You like to see a wheelie? He goes, yeah.
He kind of smiled. Well, it was kind of like one of those I'm not smiling, it's gas kind of smiles. Is that where we're oh Lord. Oh. No. So photogrammer, you screwed the pooch on this one. This is why running boards are awesome. Watch this. Yeah, my seat comes on latch with hard bumps, and I think I hit my exhaust on that. And we're going again. Go. Whoa. Ah! Oh, that's where you sent it? I was gonna say, because it was like, and you made that. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna try that.
I think you should do it for the views. First gear, hold it wide the heck open. You got it. Just send it.
No, I'm not sitting in it.
Come on, just hit it straight up the middle.
I don't want to have to bring Stella home in pieces. If I had a different bike, if I had a Grom or a Z or a Benelli normal, yeah, I might try that.
Because I don't know if I'd do it twice. It was kind of a spur of the moment thing.
I made that. Yep. Whoop! Holy crap, there's a frog. I almost thought it was a snake. Because it was swimming, it swam, so like the head of it looked like a snake, and then he hopped. Yeah, if I don't survive, somebody's got to upload this to YouTube. Nope. Help.